everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new tutorial video of fast 5G proxy that you can run on your Telegram application, and this is the worldwide highest quality and most affordable. Here we are going to show each and everything. You can get link in my video description. You have to click on the start option. There you have to select the language. After that, you can easily check there is your profile. If you click on the mine for your ID, unique ID and your PTS points will be given here. If you want to get like proxy, you have to click on the buy proxy, and then there are means silver package injection proxy. I am going to telling you in step by step. In the first mobile, as we are going to get SOX 5, then there you have to select the country. If I need Italy, and click on the next option, and Milan, this is the city and we have chosen it. And there is also next wind, and we are also going to get there is 30-minute port, and port has been given. If I copy this, and then I will also show you here how actually we are going to start. There is 2 or 25 points will require for 12-hour consistent duration. Then there's 70 and so on. You can also check how much it is required the points. Guys, you want to get proxy in silver package, you can also select here SOX5 or HTTP, and then you have to choose a country. And after that we will also proceed to the next is 5G T-Mobile, and yes, there are how much points are required. Port in 750. There is also 1 month in 1450 points required. In this way you can also proceed with this platform fast 5G proxy. And there, if you want to top up, you can click on it using the default crypto payment method. I am going to telling you here BP20. There is the address. You have to copy this, and then you have to send from any wallet like Binance, any crypto exchange. You can send your payment on, like this is the wallet address, and then you have to get the hash id or tx id number, and then you have to send on it, and then your recharge will be confirmed successfully. If you want to get your proxy details, then as I have not any proxy, so that's why there is no. If you want to get the different prices of mobile proxy, silver package and injection in overall, there is also given here. So you can also check out your stability, what you require, and how you are going to join. There you can even invite your friends. There is also referral link. You can copy it, share to your friends. How many points you will get when you are going to invite your friends? They will join under your link. You will get 10% of each friend top up value. So if you want to get their sport link, that is also given here. You can contact them. They will also give you best response. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.